Lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this baby hairs from start to finish. And here I have my lace nets already prepped out to start, and then I have a little cup of water just to make sure that this hair is very in place. This actually helps me to ventilate faster, so that's why I always make sure that before I start ventilating I just apply just a little water just by rubbing it, and then that's just basically it. So when you want to ventilate, you want to be sure that one part is actually longer than the other part, just slightly longer than the other part. So you notice very well that when you want to ventilate, it has directions. We have the straight line direction and we have the one that is a bit slanty. So we're going to be making use of the slant kind of direction for making this lace baby hairs. This is just so that you can have this realistic kind of hairline, like we're trying to create that realistic hairline. So just keep on watching so that you can basically understand. So yeah, I already have videos on how to ventilate lace. You can just check that out. I'm going to leave that in the description so that you can actually check that out if you're not clear on how to ventilate. So this is just basically what I was doing, just in a slant kind of motion until you're done ventilating. Okay, lovelies, so yeah, I just want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by anytime I post new videos. And if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so as to get updated when I post new videos. That's basically it. I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video and pretty much understand it from start to finish, because that's the only way you'll be able to understand this. And also, this is something very lucrative, especially if you want to make this and start selling. Now, the essence of this slant method, as you can see, is already having that curve, like the baby hairs is already having that curve kind of motion. So right, that is just basically it, the method for making this is a hack, guys. So if you're actually looking on how to make this and sell this, you just want to do like 4 pieces and then just place in the pack like so. So that is basically it, lovelies. Let's keep on watching, and you might as well just give this video a huge thumbs up, because that helped my video to get a large number of people. So lovelies, I'm gonna let you watch this video and pretty much understand it.